How to fix Samsung printer offline issue on Mac. If your Samsung printer shows as offline on your Mac and won't print, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check basic connections. Power and cables. Ensure the printer is turned on and properly plugged in. If using USB, try a different cable or port. Wi-Fi Ethernet connection. Make sure the printer is connected to the same network as your Mac. Restart your router and printer. Printer status lights. A solid blue light usually means it's ready. A blinking light may indicate an error. Check manual. Step 2. Set printer online in macOS. 1. Go to Apple menu, System Settings, Printers and Scanners. 2. Select your Samsung printer. 3. If it says paused or offline, right-click and choose Resume Printer if paused, use Printer Online if offline. Step 3. Remove and re-add the printer. Delete the printer. Go to Printers and Scanners. Select your Samsung printer. Click the minus button to remove it. 2. Re-add the printer. Click the plus button. Wait for your printer to appear in the list, then select and add it. Step 4. Update printer drivers. 1. Download the latest Samsung printer driver from Samsung Printer Source support.hp.com. Note, HP now manages Samsung printers. 2. Install the driver and restart your Mac. Step 5. Reset printing system, advanced fix. 1. Go to Printers and Scanners. 2. Right-click anywhere in the printer list, reset printing system. 3. Confirm and re-add your printer. Step 6. Check for software conflicts. Open Activity Monitor, Finder, Applications, Utilities. Search for Print and force quit any stuck processes. Step 7. Test print from a different app. Try printing from TextEdit, Safari, or Preview to check if the issue is app-specific. Troubleshooting still not working? Wi-Fi connection issues. Try a wired USB connection temporarily. Move the printer closer to the router. Printer still offline. Restart your Mac. Reset the printer's network settings. Check printer manual. Error messages. If you see printer not found, ensure Bonjour is enabled in printer settings. Done. Your Samsung printer should now be online. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.